This video is for those of you who have just started your channel or those of you who need to revamp a channel. Right now you're looking at Creator Tips with Dawnnie. I accidentally deleted it a couple days ago. I know, crazy. So here is how you customize your channel if you have either just started it or you're revamping it. If you haven't yet watched the other videos about the things that will help you do this, they'll be linked at the end. You go to Customize Channel, and right here, this is where I uploaded my banner. You change it here, and I uploaded my banner there. You can upload your banner again as your picture. I resized it in CapCut so it would look nicer. If you need to know how to do that, absolutely ask me and I'll let you know. Over here, we've already named it. We've already have our handle. If you missed the previous video, you might not know that you can change your handle every 14 days. So we're customizing it to our current niche and plan and everything, but maybe you refine it later. You can always come back and change it. This is where you're going to add your description, very important. The thing that helped me create my description is the vidIQ AI coach. If you need to know more about that, at the end of the video, I'm linking a video to tell you how to load vidIQ and also another video telling you what I use it for. Here's your channel URL. Hot tip. If you don't pay for a linking of the vidIQ for every channel, I can still ask it questions about this one. I only pay for the pro membership on my main channel, but I can copy this URL right here and put it in the chat so it knows what I'm talking about and ask it questions about this channel. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, ask me in the comments. This is where you add your links. You do max out at like 12, so if you're an affiliate of anything, that's where you're going to want to add your links. This is how you do it. You click on Add Link, and then you put it there. Make sure the email address you put here is the one that you want to be contacted at for collaborations, and also do not put the same email address that is linked to the account that you're showing it on, or else you're showing hackers a way to hack you. And right here, this is how you put the watermark. You can choose to have it at the end of the video, custom start time, or entire video, and that's how you would change it. The next page up here is the Home tab. Some important things to know about the Home tab is these sections are not automatically viewing. If you want a Home tab to even show, you have to turn it on. And if you want a trailer to show for people who haven't subscribed yet, I find that a short does better. It gets viewers to know a little bit about you and they'll watch a short to the end quicker than they will a long form video. And I usually have the same one for both. So you would go here and you would change the video and pick from one of your existing videos. It has to be a video that is at least unlisted and not private. I could put any of these as options even though they are not public yet. You can actually choose a premiere as well, but you can't make a private video there. Down here you can feature playlists. I have a single playlist that has every video that I have on this channel. This is how you would do that. You would go to options and I could edit that section. Let's see, can I add, here let's add a new section, add a playlist, single playlist, multiple playlists, featured channels. Featured channels is how I linked my channels at the bottom. I'll show you that. So let's pretend that we're going to add a single playlist and then you pick from one of the playlists on your channels. I have two. Everything on this channel, because it's brand new because I accidentally deleted it, and the premieres. So that's how you would do it. You would click it and then it would show up. Now I've probably done something that I have to go and change. But in order to make it viewable to everyone, you have to click publish before you leave this screen. Featured channels, these are my other channels. You can do that. You can feature other channels, and you can also feature playlists that don't live on this channel. So as you know, I accidentally deleted it, but on this channel right here, Creator Tips with Dawnnie, I show you how I finally got monetized on this channel and other things, AI things that I'm learning to create things. So that's why I'm featuring these three. They don't live on this channel. And so this is how I knew what to put. I'm on my monetized channel now. I go to playlists and I'm gonna grab this one maybe, Mom and Her Secret Life. Right here you click on View Playlist and then here, Share. And then you copy this, okay? So you can find it later. Now let's go back to the other channel that you want to share it to. So let's say I wanted to share that playlist here on Creator Tips with Dawnnie. All you have to do is go to Add Section, Single Playlist. Right here, it can be any playlist on YouTube. It doesn't have to be one of yours. And there you go. And then you click it. And now it is the one at the bottom. If you want to move these, you can drag them to show in different order. Okay, I'm going to cancel everything I've done here. I just wanted to show you that you can also feature your own channels or your mentors' channels. And view channel, and I'll show you what is there. So on this channel, I have premieres as a playlist. Everything on this channel is a playlist. My other channels. See, I'm featuring the most viral shorts from my Dawnnie Mercado channel. This is another channel of mine. This is another channel of mine. A really great way to introduce yourself to everyone, even though your channel isn't full yet. Okay, some other important things you're going to want to know how to do when you customize your channel. We're going to go back to Customize Channel. Right here, I want to show you Settings. We've clicked on Settings. These are very important. So these are your channel settings. These are your keywords. I'll show you later where they show up. And if you need help finding out which keywords are appropriate to the channel name you've selected and the niche you're in, you can use any of the tools that I've showed you here on this channel. vidIQ, TubeBuddy, ChatGPT. Go to an incognito browser and see what other people are talking about in your niche. Very important. Okay, advanced settings. No, this channel is not made for kids unless it is, but I always say no. There are things you're not allowed to do if it's set for kids. Your comments will be automatically off. You can't link videos to it, other things. So think about this and answer honestly. I don't have a Google Ads account linked to this one, but I do my monetized channel. Automatic captions, I say don't show inappropriate words. Automatic dubbing, oh, I'm going to enable that. That's a new feature. YouTube will automatically dub it into many languages for you. I'm going to skip this. I allow people to make clips and enhance the visual and audio quality. You might not want to. Right here, you can add someone else to manage your YouTube account. You can add another one of your email addresses, or you can add a friend or someone who works for you. They won't be able to delete it, but they can access it and upload on your behalf. So that's all that's over here. And then feature eligibility. These are the standard features: upload videos, create playlists, add collaborators, new videos to playlists. Intermediate features: videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails and live streaming. And advanced features: increase daily video uploads, live streams, and eligibility to apply for monetization. The bottom two are not automatically enabled. You have to reach certain milestones, and you also have to do a verification check by making a personal video on your phone or one other thing that YouTube asks you about. If you run into this and you're in the HWC class with us, we'll talk you through it in real time. And then you click save. I don't believe I've made any changes, so I'm not going to click save. Oh, I did make a change. I'm going to click save. Okay, I'm going to go back. So that's all there is on this section. We'll go to upload defaults now. I have a default title. I'm going to change it every time, but just so that it's up there, and if I accidentally publish something, I don't want it blank. And let's say that I'm always going to put Creator Tips with Dawnnie in the title. I don't want to have to type it every time. And you should have links or things that you're going to repeat in your description here. It helps you. Like, I'm going to share my vidIQ affiliate link again and again and again. I'm going to have certain hashtags again and again. I usually put the same thing that's in my description here, but that's up to you. If you usually share your binge playlist, this is a great place to put it because you don't have to remember to look it up and put it in the description every time. And these hashtags are here because it says something about my channel. So they're going to be there every time. I'm going to add to them when I upload the video, but these are always going to be there. So that's that. I don't like this one. I'm taking it away. I think I got it from ChatGPT. And I highly suggest that you upload as private first because you need the SEO to be able to search around your video and make sure that you don't have any copyright material that you're not supposed to show, and you want it to upload all the way to 4K before it goes live. Many reasons you want to upload first to private, and then check your SEO before launching it. Here are your tags. These are the same tags that I have on my channel. But before every upload, you're going to double check this and make sure that they are video specific in your niche. Okay, I think I made a change, so I'll click save. If you click on permissions, you're going to see that you can add email addresses to have permissions to view, edit, all of those things. I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to have to blur out my email addresses today. Community moderation, very important. Are your comments on or off? I have a strict moderation policy because I don't want any cursing. I go and I check it very frequently. I don't want any fights in my comments. Messages in your live chat, moderation none. Just check this. If you have words that you definitely never want said, block those words. You can choose to hold comments with hashtags and URLs for review later. Make sure you do that. I don't have it on here right now, but I probably should. I'm gonna click that. All right, what else do we have? And save. That will protect you from people who just spam you in the comments because they're trying to get engagement to places that you don't want people to go. Okay, user management. Who can manage your moderators? Who are your standard moderators? Who are your approved users? Hidden users. I have hidden people from my other channel because they're mean or they're sassy or whatever, and I have a zero tolerance for mean people in my channel arena. So you can hide them, and this is where they're gonna show. Channels I subscribe to can redirect to my content. This by default is checked. So if you don't want somebody to be able to redirect your content, uncheck it. What this means is anyone I subscribe to can link one of my videos as an end screen of their video. I find it probably be helpful because you're going to get some free traffic that way. And then finally, channel guidelines. So set the tone for conversations on your channel. Add up to 3 guidelines for viewers to acknowledge before their first comment. I didn't know that this was enabled on everybody. I know that it was enabled on my monetized channel, and I thought that's why, but everybody can do this. I need to do this. So write a welcome message, write your guidelines. You know, stick to the topic, questions welcome, be civil and respectful. At the very least, I want that one. No self-promotion or spam, very important. I have a feeling I'm gonna add both of these. There you go, I'm adding these. And save. Creator demographics. You can choose to take a survey should you want to. Agreements, read this, learn more, read about everything, all things YouTube. So I believe we've covered all or most of what you would want to do in order to customize your channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments the one thing you learned today that you didn't already know. And I really do appreciate engagement. That's the way that YouTube will help other people who might be interested in this content find me. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'll see you in the next one.